Yeah, so today we're gonna do a pasta salad for Easter. And it's not any kind of pasta salad. We're gonna do a deviled egg pasta salad, because that's usually something we do for Easter. So we're gonna use a cup of uncooked pasta. It could be penne or macaroni, whatever you have. Half a cup of peas, about 2 slices of bacon. You can add a little more if that's what you like. 4 eggs, half of an onion, of a small onion chopped really small, 3 tablespoons of mayo, about 1.5 tablespoons of mustard, a sprinkle of paprika, salt and pepper to taste.
Alright, let's try this.
Also, and I've all made some chicken wrapped in bacon.
Bon appetit!
It's pretty good.
It's definitely egg salad, or deviled eggs, with pasta salad. So,
Oh, yeah.
if you like both, you're gonna save time by just eating both in one.